everyone, welcome to Shannon and Dan's Kitchen, also home of Shannon's Kitchen Shenanigans. I recently became an independent consultant for Pampered Chef, and my husband had a very good idea to start a YouTube channel where we will do cooking demonstrations and share recipes and tidbits via YouTube videos. So this is our first video, and we're going to do the Pampered Chef recipe of Stromboli that is in the booklet that you get if you order the air fryer. So we'll go ahead and show you guys from start to finish how you will make this very yummy Stromboli. All right, so we have our refrigerated pizza crust, which you could of course make your own if you want. The recipe uses a refrigerated bun, so it's much easier. This is the Pampered Chef pastry mat, which is an excellent investment. It has measurements on it and it does not slide. It's great for pies and, well, pastries, for pizza doughs. It says to roll it out to a 16 by 10 rectangle. There are some people that roll them larger and have a thinner crust. Just depends on how you want to do it. Check your cooking times if you're gonna adjust your size, of course. As you can see, I am not a great roller outer, but that's okay. It'll still work. So once you have your dough rolled out, then you use a half teaspoon of Italian seasoning and sprinkle it over your dough. This is Pampered Chef's adjustable teaspoon. There's two sizes that come in the set. Once you have that rolled and seasoned, then you're going to cut it in half. Let me use not quite so sharp a knife to cut on the mat because they're not safe against sharp objects. And I just cut it the wrong way. Cut them widthwise. You can do them either way. If you cut them the way I did, you're going to have fatter, shorter Stromboli. It's fine. Some people prefer them that way. It's usually just better to have the longer, thinner ones, but it's okay. So the next thing that you do is add your pepperoni. Okay, so we have regular pepperoni and turkey pepperoni that will be mine. Dan wanted to have ground beef on his also, so you can add whatever you want. You can add onions, peppers, black olives. You can use different meats. I did ham and cheese, and it was very delicious. So you can adjust however you want. After you have your meats on, then you will add your cheese. The recipe calls for mozzarella and Parmesan. Dan just wants mozzarella, so his will have just mozzarella. Once you're done with your cheese or any other ingredients that you want to add, then you are going to roll your dough. You're going to start with the short ends. Then you need to close up your ends. So it's probably a good idea to not go all the way to the edge so that you have a little more to work with. Stop it. Next, you're going to make 5 slits in the top of each roll and then sprinkle it with the remaining Italian seasoning, which will be a 1/4 of a teaspoon, maybe a little more depending on how you want it. I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder because we like garlic. The next thing we will do is get them on the cooking tray. So you can use it without anything on the cooking tray. That's completely fine. I like to use parchment paper on it to help with the ease of cleanup. Sometimes cheese wants to come out and they're not difficult to clean. It's just a lot better to just pick that up and go. They do have air fryer parchment paper that you can buy that's already holed and everything, and it's I haven't gotten any yet, so I just use a toothpick to poke holes in mine for now. So once you have your stromboli ready, then you want to put the same side, the seasoning, that side down. And then give it a quick spray. Or a spritz if you have a spritzer bottle of some cooking oil spray, just to help get that browned and crisp. Okay, so you're going to put the tray on the bottom rack. Turn your dial to bake, and we're going to press the button to set that, and then we are baking for 14 minutes. It will do a couple beeps halfway through to let you know that your time is halfway through, and at that point, then we're gonna take it out and flip them and let them continue baking. Okay, so it beeped at us to let us know that it is halfway done. So we're going to take them out. Flip them over. Close it up, and it will start back up automatically. Okay, and our stromboli are done. Ta-da! Okay, and here, nice and crunchy and flaky. And oozy. So that is the Pampered Chef's recipe for stromboli. If you liked what you saw, give our channel a like and subscribe so you can get updates when we have new videos posted. And go ahead and like my page, Shannon's Kitchen Shenanigans, and that will have all of our Pampered Chef stuff on it. You can order from that site. If you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave them. Thanks, guys.